So one thing that would for sure be important to running a 2GS nowadays would be being able to write software onto disks. The best way I have found personally is to use ADTPro. If you go to ADTPro.com, you can actually see all the resources they have there. You do need to connect the 2GS to a modern computer with a USB port that is compatible with a serial connection. I have found that my modern Surface Book, for example, is not able to communicate to the serial connection. However, my normal desktop computer can, so it must have something to do with the kind of USB port. At any rate, I'll demonstrate how to do that. I have here an ADTPro disk. Let's slide that in as well. Give her a nice little hug. ProDOS 8. So ADTPro actually works for any Apple II, not just the Apple IIgs. You do have to connect it via serial. These are also available on ADTPro.com, and I think they have links there for their shop. But you get this connector here. It connects to the modem port on the 2GS, and on the other end you have an RS-232 serial port, which many older computers have. Modern computers generally don't. So if you get an adapter, you can connect the via this adapter right here. We can plug those together. And now I have a cable that is for the 2GS null modem on one side and universal serial bus on the other, USB. Interesting. Let's go into the port that has the little phone symbol on it. Get that nice and snug in there. Turn this guy back around. Okay. And now I will connect this other end to my main computer. Here we are at my Windows 10 PC. So to start the ADTPro software, we just have to go to the directory where I downloaded it. Let's open File Explorer. I put it in here under the Apple IIgs folder. And my folder is way messier because I've already transferred a lot of files before. But a freshly downloaded ADTPro folder should have an ADTPro.bat. You double click on that and you will open a Java application. You can see here that it currently indicates no activity, not connected. I have already connected my USB cable to this computer, so we just need to have it recognize that by hitting the serial button here. So we just hit that and easy peasy, we are now connected. So I've connected the USB to my main computer and I've started the ADTPro software. It seems to be connected, so let's try it out. We'll go to the serial connector, reading some data. First things first, we actually have to get another disk and format it so that we can copy some data onto it. So here is a blank 5¼ inch floppy disk. Let's press F to format. ADTPro is showing us all the disks that it detects. And let's call this one, I saw F15 strike. Yes. Go little disk drive, go. Format another, nope. And we can choose here to receive, leave the file name blank, and we actually get the entire directory that ADTPro is running off of on my main computer. It's a Windows 10 PC, and I can just go through here, and you can actually change the directory even with the dir, but I don't need to do that right now. Now let's try something easy here. F15 Strike Eagle. I've never tried that one. Let's now receive, and let's put in F15 Strike Eagle. Okay. And there you go. We are now transferring a file from our modern Windows 10 computer to an Apple IIgs. Complete. Press a key to continue. Now let's see if it worked. Some funny sounds. Ooh, more amazing Apple II graphics.